Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll try to solve Sudoku Hard Puzzle of New York Times dated 29th November 2025. So let us start. We start with number 1. So here these are the two cells where number 1 is a likely candidate. Here we get a cell where number 1 is a unique number, so we were posting it. These are the two cells where number 1 is a likely candidate. Similarly, these are the two cells where number 1 is a likely candidate. We go to number 2. So here, this is the cell where number 2 is unique. Similarly, we also get one cell where number 2 is unique in this block. And these are the two cells where number 2 is a likely candidate. These are the two cells where number 2 is a likely candidate. And we get these two cells where number 2 is a likely candidate. We move to number 3. These are the two cells where number 3 is a likely candidate. And because of that, we now identify this is a cell where number 3 is a unique number. These are the two cells where number 3 is a likely candidate. Here we get a cell where 3 is unique, and consequently this becomes a cell where 3 is unique. So we remove 3 from here. Similarly, we get one cell here where 3 is a unique number, and consequently this is also 3. So we remove 3 from here. Go to number 4. Here are the two cells where number 4 is a likely candidate. Go to number 5. So you get cell here where number 5 is unique. Here we get two cells where 5 is a likely candidate. Similarly, we get two cells here in this block where 5 is a likely candidate. So we move to the next number, which is 6. So you get two cells here where 6 is a likely candidate. Then we move to 7. So these are the two cells where 7 is a likely candidate. Then we move to 8. Then we move to number 9. So we get this cell where number 9 is a likely candidate. It's also a real number, is a unique number. Similarly, these are the two cells where number 9 is a likely candidate. And here we get the cell where number 9 is unique. So consequently, this cell will have 5 as a unique number. Then we continue with 9. So these are the two cells where again 9 is a likely candidate. So friends, we have now completed identifying all the cells where the number is unique to that particular cell, and also identifying cells where a number is a likely candidate. Now we'll start filling up the remaining numbers in the open cells. So we go with the block, row or column which has least number of open cells. Like we take this row, so 1 is there, so we post 1 and 1, 2 is there, 3, then it could be 4 and 4, 5, 6, 7, then similarly we can have 8 here. 8. Then again we'll take this block. Here 2 and 9 are already fixed in these two cells, so the remaining 1 is already posted. Then these are the two cells where 2 is not coming, so 2 is already there. 3, then we need to post 4 here. Then 5 is already there, 6 is already there. Then 7 will not come here, 7 will not come here. So this becomes a cell where 7 is a unique number. Then 8 is already posted here, and it will come here also, 8 and 8. Then 9 is already there in these two cells. So 4 and 8. So that means this is a cell where number 1 is unique. So we remove 1 from here and 1 from here. Then we go to this block. We have 1, 2, 3. Then we need to post 4, 4 and 4. 5 is already posted. Then we need to post 6, 6 and 6. 7 is already there. Then we need to post 8. 8. No, 8 will not be there. 8 will come here, here and here. Then 9 is already there. Then we'll come to this block. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this will be 5 and this will be 5. 6 is already posted. Then these are the two cells where 7 is a likely candidate. Similarly, now 8 can appear in all these 3 cells. Here it will not appear because 4 and 8 is already there. Then 9 is already there here. Then we'll come to this block. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the 3 numbers which are missing is 6, 7 and 8. So we can directly pose them. 6, 7, 8. Here also 6, 7, 8 and 6, 7, 8. So this block is also completed. So we'll come to this block. We have 1, 2, 3. Then we need to post 4, 4, 4 and 4. Similarly, 5 will come in all the 4 blank cells. Similarly, 6 is also coming in all the 4 cells. Then 7, 8, 9. So we can take this column. There are just 4. So this column. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 5 will not come here. So 5 will come here in these 3 cells. Similarly, 6 will be coming in all the 4 cells. Then again 7 will come in these 2 cells. Then 8 will appear here, it will appear here, and 9 is already there. Now similarly, we'll take up this column. We have 1, 2, 3. Then 4 is already posted here, but 4 will come here also. Then 5 is already there. Then we need to post 6, 6, 6 and 6. And 7 is already here, so we have to post 7 here. Then again 8 will come here, 8 and 8. 9 is already there. Now here these are just 2 numbers will come, which is basically 1 and 4. 1, 4, 1, 4. So we remove 4 from here. So the 3 cells, say not 4. Yeah, correct. So with this, all the 6 blocks are posted. Now 2 more blocks are remaining. Now we'll go to this block. So we have 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now 2 is already posted, 3 is posted. Then 4 is already coming there. Then 5. Then similarly 6, 6 and 6 and 6 and 6. 7 is already there, 8 is already there. Then we need to post 9 and 9. Then we come to this last block. 1 is already posted, 2 is already posted, 3 is already there. Then this will be 4 in these 3 blocks. Then similarly 5 will come in this 4 cells. Then 6 will appear in all the 7 cells. 6 and 6. Then 7 will appear in these 3 cells. Then we have similarly 8. Then 9 is already posted. So friends, now we have completed posting these numbers in all the open blocks. Now we'll just check whether there's any wrong entry creeping which has crept into any of the open cells, and then do a verification horizontally and vertically. So we start with number 1. Seems to be okay. Then we go to 2 and 3, 4 and 8 is there, so we remove 4 from here. Similarly 8 is also here, so we remove 8 from here. So it will be 5, 6, 4, 8, correct. And since 8 is appearing in these 2 and not, so we can remove 8 from here. So continuing with 4, then we go to 5, then we go to 6, we go to 7, we go to 8. Yeah, this 8 will not appear here, in which case this becomes 4, this becomes 8, and consequently we remove 8 from these 3 cells. Similarly we remove 4 from here, so this becomes 6. So again, once again we remove 6 from all these cells. This becomes 1. So here also we remove 6. So this becomes 7. So we remove 7 from here. We remove 7 from here. Then here we remove 1. We remove 6. So here also we remove 7 and 7, and which leads us to posting 8 as the number here, and this becomes 6, this becomes 5, and this becomes 7. So this becomes 5, this becomes 6. So this will be 4 and this will be 8. So this becomes 6, and here this will be 4. So this will be 5, in which case this will becomes 2. So we remove 2 from here, we remove 4, then 5 also. So here also we remove 5, then here we remove 2, in which case this becomes 9, this becomes 2, this becomes 9, this becomes 2. So this becomes 8 and this becomes 4. So here this becomes 7, this becomes 8, this is 6. So again we remove 4 from here. So here 9 will not appear here, so this becomes 9. So we remove 9 from here. So 5 will not appear here. Yeah, 5 will appear in this two. Okay. So we continue with this. So it's 1 and 6. It's 1, 5, 6. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Then 4 will be appearing here. Then 5 is already there. 6, 7, 8, 9 is already there. So 1 4 is appearing in these two cells. So otherwise all are okay. Then we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 7 8 and 9. Similarly this will be 4 and 8. So then we do the row is 6 is already there, so then this becomes 1, this becomes 6. So we remove 1 from here, we remove 6 and 6. So we have, this becomes 4. So we have, this will be 8 and this will be 5, this will be 6. So here this will be 7 and this will be 5. Okay, now here this will be 1. So this will be 4 and this will be 1. So if this is 4, this becomes 8, this becomes 4. 8. And this will be 8. So we have two numbers. One is, so this becomes 6, and the last number to complete this hard Sudoku puzzle of New York Times of 29th November 2025 is 7. So friends, I have completed this puzzle in less than 20 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it. So thank you. See you tomorrow.